Okay, let's see. Hello from YouTube. And yeah, basically I'm expect this message will be forwarded to. I see it here. I don't know, sometimes it redirects messages, sometimes not, so I probably put this chat on my second screen. It's actually not second screen, but just an iPad, but anyway. So no. Alright. At least I have chat, and yeah, I can spot everyone. So let's back where we stopped last week. We keep migrating our React Native app built with React Native CLI to React Native Expo pre-built, where for our native part of React Native core is generated by Expo. Yeah, we stopped at this point where I set up some variants, but it wasn't working, and I posted, and actually, so yeah, I did environment stage. So I basically cleaned the pre-built part and rebuilt it again, and it's actually working. So yeah, maybe let's just run Expo run. This is probably what we need. Let's see. And maybe what I'd like to do right now, there is missing splash screen image and icon. Okay, there is some error. And I think it's related to the simulator. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it just won't run. Like you can see here. Maybe you see there is some. Yeah, maybe let's find out what is it. Okay, now it's running. And yeah, Expo. Let's see. You see, okay, it's not. Basically, I have my app like this without icon. So what I would like to have the icon and the splash screen. So yeah, while it's building, let's try to figure it out. Expo icon, up icon. Icon value. So we need icon with such resolution, and if we go up config.js, we actually have it. Okay, there is some adaptive icon for Android, but let's start with iOS. Okay, so I guess I can go. Yeah, this is what I need. Just copy this. Okay, it's not this one. I want staging one. Staging is different color, so it's easier to identify. And let's go to the assets and yeah, paste it here. This one and this one. Okay, I think this is simple as it is. No extractions required. So maybe this adaptive icon any different? It's also same size. Okay, let's start with the same. Oh, I think since it's staging, and when it's staging and production, let's create a directory. Staging. And production. So yeah, let's copy this icon for okay, sorry, I have too many folders open. Okay, here we are. Okay, so we have staging and production, and we can do basically need this. And here, let's do it like this. And you see there is no splash screen and no icon. So we added icon, and after rebuild it should appear. So okay. So let's probably go to splash screen. Yeah, so let's take a look what we had in our app. This is a good splash. This is something what we have. Can I just put it here? Okay. Yeah, I think we are good. And we can try to what? Export. Hey, hello. How you doing? Cheflit. Cheflit. And splash. Yeah, this is what I need. So let's do and gear here as well. Oh, actually, I don't need it. I have the same splash uh, for staging and production. So student CS. Okay, cool. Yeah, today there is kind of special subject. It's not exactly we building and writing some code. Um, like I've start. This is actually my real job project. And I started several years ago. React Native CLI. And the alternative way is you use Expo, not Expo Go in our case, but Expo, where all native part of the project of React Native is generated by the Expo. So it makes much easier to upgrade from one React Native version to another. If you do it manually with React Native CLI, you need to use React Native upgrade helper. And for example, you want to upgrade from, I don't know, version like this to something like this. And there is a bunch of difference, so you should go manually and do update dependency version, check some files of native projects like, yeah, this one, Android app build Gradle, maybe some Java. Let's there, yeah, some pieces in Java can be changed in Objective-C, etc. So Expo make your life much easier, and it can generate, and you can just upgrade the Expo version in the package JSON, and you are good. But it's not that obvious with real world project how to migrate from React Native CLI to just Expo. So yeah, I'm trying it on streams as a hobby project. So what I need to do, I need to copy the splash screen. Yeah, basically here should be a splash. Yeah, exactly. But also there is Expo. Like Expo is complicated. Like seeing it, uh, it's hard to explain what Expo it is, because you can use Expo Go where you can build things just with JavaScript. Expo can be used in the React Native CLI as a Expo libraries, and there is also something like ES builds. Uh, yeah, Expo application service where you can make builds for you. But yeah, in more simple words, what I'm trying to do is from React CLI to the Expo. So we have Splash and we have. So for example, I can show you the example. Right now we're updating the icon and image. With Expo you can just put the icon in the config file, and Splash same, and Expo will generate it for you. And if I want to do it with React Native CLI, I need, for example, for iOS, I need to go to the Xcode and yeah, let's wait for it to open. Jesus, Xcode is so slow. So you need to go to Xcode, open the project, and there is a places where you can drop your assets for app icon, configure it. So you need to have special knowledge about the Xcode, native iOS development, etc. Uh, Same for Android. You need to go to Android Studio. You can do it without Android Studio, but in Android Studio it's just add icons and splash screen images in the native Android way. And now let's actually try to, when I edit icon and splash, let me try rebuild clean. Yeah, it will take some time. No such. Okay, yeah, I forgot to modify adaptive icon pass. Which is supposed to be like this. Now we can try again. Rebuild clean staging. Yeah, let's quickly check what the difference between. So adaptive icon, there is some description. I usually try to fit your design within the outer concentric circles. Is using logo as your app icon. To use this icon, you will need to put I'm not sure, but let's try out staging. Now let's put some transparency. We do it like this. Might be much better. Okay, everything is good, so we can explore. Oh, sorry. Expo staging. Can I switch the order? No? I'm not super familiar with Figma. Okay, the question is, can I just fill everything else with the same color? It's still building. But if I copy paste the icon and put it doesn't work as good as I thought. Yeah, but can we just draw, pick the same color? Is there a color picker tool? in Figma. Okay, let's do it this stupid way. Okay, it's not match. And this is what I saw. And Figma Tropical.
Welcome to another Figma tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering the right side and my button. I'll first start by selecting the button shape itself. This lets the eyedropper tool know that any color that is sampled should be applied to this selected layer. Now, with this shape selected to sample, tools will colors.
I
Personal
think I
color
get it. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I did it wrong. But anyway, up, let's build it. Okay, and we see our splash screen now, which is definitely cool. and we have the icon, but the issue that I wanted staging, but for some reason it built that production. Weird. Okay, now need to rebuild it again. Yeah, it's quite time-consuming procedure, but actually I don't need to do it often, so it's kind of okay. And I think we can already see this time it was staging. Now it's call source. Oh, for some reason this is wrong. Okay, now we fix it. Uh, and you see immediately switch go source to go source staging. Yeah. Okay, restream bot actually works in this direction, but not in the another one. Another group. Let's switch back. Okay, now it's actually working. Cool. So I can just follow one chat, and this is nice. So yeah, Expo staging. But yeah, I think it's works fine, at least for us. Thinking on the next step. In the next step, I have in this share file where you can do share, and accept this shared file in the React Native app. And this was required. So Expo receive share file. This is other way around. This is when we share somewhere else. How can I name it? Expo accept file. Okay, there is probably no obvious way how to do it. Like in different way. I did it before, so might be. Saw some blog post about how to create new target to your file with Expo config plugin. Actually, let's quickly view my tutorial. So I don't remember, it was like 2 years ago.
Hello everyone, in this video I
Turn on the music.
would like to show you how to get React Native application, our React Native application, in the end of this tutorial. And let's start with React Native Receive Sharing Intent library.
Receive share intent. Let's just check Expo. Maybe there is something. This is interesting. What just happened? Why? Before it started, it showed. This actually might be some cache. Because I don't think we have this image anymore. So my bad, just some cache. But let's, I don't know, let's try to remove and region build, build up, and yeah, this time build should be much faster. So it's supposed to be cached. So to the add your application icon to share sheet of the application at Safari. Nearly all of your registration. Yeah, this is yeah, sorry, I need to check something. Alright. Um so thanks to this package, manual configuration is described in original documentation. Yeah, it won't help, but I still think it's cache issue. Yeah, now my app is broken. Because run picker I need to replace to fix it. Maybe next time. Mm. So we can install this. Then we can put some info list configs. Hmm. So this is interesting part. It generates the target for you. Okay, and here's the native code. Here we import schema. So let's generate everything in the Expo plugin. This is interesting. Expo plugin config. Well, I think it's good to start from some basics. An automatic setup of the native model project is possible. Sometimes the model requires more complex setup. A config plugin can be used to automatically configure your native project for module, reduce the complexity by avoiding interactions with the native project. What is the config plugin? Well, a system for extending the app config. Okay. And customizing the preview process for your app. They can be used to add native modules that aren't included by default, or to add any native module that needs to be configured further. Internally, Expo CLI uses a config plugin to generate and configure all the native code for managed projects. Plugins do things such as generate app icons, set up name, and configure and route manifest XML info, paste, and so on. You can think of plugin like bundlers for native project and run npm expo prebuild is way to bundle the project by evaluating all the project plugins. Okay, we'll run on the prebuild stage. Doing so will generate Android and iOS directories. Those directories can be modified manually after being generated, but then they can no longer be saved. No one's ever generated without potential overwriting manual modifications. Yeah, this is clear. So use config plugin. Config plugins mostly came from Node modules. You can install them just like other packages in your project. For example, Expo Camera has a plugin that adds camera permission to the Android manifest. To install it in your project, run the following command. Now we can do camera permission. Yes, it all makes sense. Yeah, it looks like mm, yeah, it looks like a lot of documentation and clicking around I need to do before I can progress on it, but I think I get the idea. We need to use Expo, uh, config plugins, and yeah, generate what we need to use React Native sharing intent. But right now I feel a bit tired to do. And maybe if I manage to do it, it will be a good tutorial video for my second channel on YouTube. But I think this will be it for today. I might be want to commit changes in the there are assets. Okay, assets. Update icon and splash. Yes, Android. Not best. Okay, I need to put no try since I have pre-commit hook. In this case, I can push my changes. No messages from YouTube today. Alright. Alright. So we're good. Thank you everyone for watching. See you probably tomorrow, but not sure yet.